Handling project collaboration with clients can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle project collaboration with clients effectively, so you can avoid confusion and ensure smooth communication from start to finish. First things first, establish clear communication channels. Before you dive into any project, set up the primary way you'll communicate. Whether it's email, instant messaging, or project management tools, consistency is key. It's crucial that both you and your client are on the same page with how you'll stay in touch and share updates. Next, set clear expectations from day one. Make sure your client knows what to expect at every stage of the project, and vice versa. Define deadlines, deliverables, and who's responsible for what. By setting these clear expectations, you avoid misunderstandings later on and keep the project on track. Incorporate collaboration tools into the mix. If you've tried all the most popular project management software, you know how much of a difference the right tool can make. The software we'll be using in this video will help you keep all the client's feedback, documents, and deadlines in one place. It's essential to use a tool that integrates seamlessly with your workflow, allowing both you and your client to track progress and keep things organized. Another important aspect of handling project collaboration with clients is regular check-ins. Don't wait until the end of the project to get feedback. Schedule regular meetings or calls to ensure everything is on track and that your client's input is heard. This helps you catch any issues early before they become major problems. Be transparent about progress. If there's a delay or roadblock, be upfront about it. Clients appreciate honesty, and keeping them informed builds trust. Transparency doesn't just apply to delays though, it's about keeping your client in the loop with every stage of the project. Lastly, encourage feedback and make adjustments as necessary. Keep the collaboration fluid by being open to changes and adjustments. It's not just about delivering what you promised, it's about working with your client to fine-tune the project to their satisfaction. If they're involved throughout the process, the final product will be much closer to what they envisioned. Here's the key takeaway. Handling project collaboration with clients is about clear communication, setting expectations, using the right tools, staying transparent, and staying flexible. If you do these things, your client relationships will improve and your projects will run more smoothly. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to follow along with the software we used in this tutorial. It's a great way to ensure you're handling your client collaborations efficiently. To recap, establish clear communication, set expectations, use the right tools, check in regularly, be transparent, and encourage feedback. Get these steps right, and your project collaborations will be much more effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial link below to get started today.